The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The WEN DC1300 Woodworking Dust Collector has proven to be a valuable addition to many woodworking shops, offering a powerful solution to dust collection with a range of convenient features. One standout feature is its ability to circulate up to 1,300 cubic feet of air per minute, providing high-velocity circulation to effectively capture dust particles. The dual 4-inch air inlets allow users to attach up to 2 tools simultaneously, enhancing versatility in a woodworking setup. The 50-gallon vertical collection bag is a significant advantage, reducing the frequency of dust disposal and allowing woodworkers to focus more on their craft. The quick-release clasp simplifies bag installation, contributing to a hassle-free user experience. The 14-amp motor, paired with a 10-inch steel impeller rotating at 3,450 RPM, ensures robust suction power. This is particularly appreciated by woodturners, as mentioned in one review, emphasizing its effectiveness in keeping smaller particles from becoming airborne. The mobile base with 4 swivel casters adds a layer of convenience, enabling easy mobility around the workshop. While the product may be a bit loud, users generally find the noise level tolerable, especially when compared to high-pitched shop vac noises. Assembly appears to be straightforward, and despite a few reviews mentioning missing nuts and bolts, customers report positive experiences with the product once it's up and running. The ability to connect the dust collector to multiple tools and the option to use flexible hoses like the WEN 28200 and 28221 further enhance its adaptability. Customers appreciate the cost-effectiveness of the WEN DC1300, noting its comparable performance to more expensive brands. This sentiment is reinforced by a user who waited for a couple of years to make the purchase and found the product to meet expectations. However, it's worth noting that some users found the assembly directions a bit challenging, but with careful reference to the parts quantity and description page, they were able to overcome any difficulties. In summary, the WEN DC1300 Woodworking Dust Collector seems to strike a balance between power, versatility, and affordability, making it a favorable choice for those looking to maintain a clean and efficient woodworking space.